In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on Overstock. If you've recently placed an order and want to check where it is or when it's expected to arrive, Overstock makes that process pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can quickly find your tracking details and review the latest shipping updates. To get started, go to the Overstock website in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in option and log into your account. Make sure you're using the same account that was used to place the order, since your order details will only appear there. After signing in, head over to My Account. This is the main area where Overstock stores your personal shopping information, including your order history, returns, and account details. Inside that section, select Orders and Returns, or My Orders, depending on what appears on your screen. The wording can vary slightly, but both options will take you to the list of purchases associated with your account. Next, find the order you want to track. If you've placed multiple orders, take a moment to check the order date, item name, or total amount so you open the correct one. Once you've found it, click the order number to open the full order details page. On that page, look for the shipping section. If your item has already shipped, you should see a tracking number available. Click the tracking number to view the shipment status. This will usually open the carrier's tracking information where you can see the latest movement of your package, including transit updates and delivery progress. Finally, review the most recent shipping status and the estimated delivery information. This is the best place to confirm whether your package is on the way, delayed, or already out for delivery. If the tracking number isn't available yet, that usually means the order has not shipped yet, so you may need to check back a little later. A helpful tip is to refresh the tracking page if the update seems old, since carrier information can take a little time to sync. Also, if your order contains more than one item, keep in mind that they may ship separately, so you could see different tracking details for different products. That's all it takes to track your order on Overstock. Once you know where to sign in and where to find your order details, checking your shipment only takes a minute.